If you want glowing, brighten and soft skin, use this natural ingredient direct from your kitchen. Today, I'm sharing how I make my DIY vitamin C skin oil with orange peel, jojoba oil and sweet almond oil. That will make your skin, you will fall in love again with your skin. No chemicals, just a result that you need to see. Vitamin C oil is having a lot of benefits. We'll talk about it. Now, the one I'm showing to you people, I mix lemon peel inside, and this one also is just pure orange peel. So I dry my orange peel to make for my own DIY things. So right now, the next step that we are going to take, I'm bringing my blender to start blending it. Please, if you have opportunity to dry your own orange peel, fine, you can dry, but if you can't have chance to dry it, and the one that they are selling from the market, if only you can see, you can buy that one. But I can always advise to use dry things to make your oil than using the fresh one, because using the fresh one, if you don't know how to maintain it very well, very soon you may notice the oil will soon spoil very fast. Okay, and you don't want it that way. So let's start blending my things. Okay, my friends, I'm almost finished the blending my peels. Okay, so now the next steps that I'm going to take, this one I'm just showing to you people. So that one with the lemon, and when you dry your own also, you have to be careful and look it very well, because sometimes you may notice that there is a bad places, or it has spoiled while during your dryness. So the one that I'm showing to you, that is the ones that has spoiled. So you need to be careful. After dry it again, you have to take eyes and look it and check it again before you use to make your DIY things. So now, what the next step that I'm going to take, I'm going to take some few tablespoons, maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons inside. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think 3 is okay, or should I add more? No, 3 is okay. So now I took 3 tablespoons to put inside my glass jar. I'm still saying I will not add again, but still I just take small one again. Let's say 1 again and add again. So now what I'm holding is my jojoba oil. Jojoba oil that I'm going to use to infuse it with sweet almond oil. Feel free to use any carrier oil of your choice, the one that you think that is good for your skin, because this one, the oils that I'm using, all is moisturizing skin. You can use it to moisturize your skin, you can use it to massage your skin, those 2 oils. So that is why I'm using it. But you can use baby oil also to infuse it, or any carrier oil of your choice you can use to infuse it if you think that is good for your skin. Okay, yeah, you can use that one. So now guys, after I'm doing it this way, I'm going to make it a double boil method for 30 minutes. Okay, double boil method that I'm making it for 30 minutes. So now after the 30 minutes, what I'm going to do, you can see I close the fire. I'm going to keep it for 1 month. So 1 month later we'll come back. So guys, you see my face, so I'm so excited. I don't know, you guys should wait. Okay, please do not go far away, because you need to see the result, how this oil is going to be. So check it on 1 month later. When you make it this way, always make sure to continue shaking it. Put it in a dark corner for it to infuse again. So anytime when you remember, because I'm going to say every day for 1 month, definitely you may forget some days. So anytime at all when you remember, just go and pick your oil, shake it and put it back again until 1 month. 1 month later you bring it out. So guys, I will see you guys in 1 month later. Okay, I will see you guys 1 month later. My friends, today is the good 1 month for our vitamin E oil. So I'm going to bring it here to strain it. Actually, the first batch, the first video, I didn't post it. I keep it, it's still inside my phone. So I'm going to strain it today. so that I'll use the video, join it together so that you guys will see. You see how my skin is dry, right? Today is my routine day, so I don't know whether I'll have time to shoot the video also show it to you people or not. But I will try all my best to take the video, because I find out with some secret. Anyway, I will not tell you people, yeah? I will not tell you people. I'll make the video and show it to you guys. So let's train the video and come back to our normal routine, okay? Love you all. Let's start the work. Okay, my lovely people, now I'm bringing my tin. We are going to strain it. While straining it, let me take you guys for us to rush and check the benefit of our orange peel. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C and antioxidant that reducing pigmentation, brightening skin, and boosting collagen production. So, which is very good. It means orange peel is very powerful. So if you know that you have dark spots, you have acne, sun damage, whatever that you have, or you have even dry skin, this thing is vitamin C oil is going to help you. Okay, is your natural vitamin E. You make it by your own. You know what the ingredients that you use. This thing is going to help you a lot. And I use sweet almond oil to do it. Sweet almond oil is nourishing, and softening and improving skin elasticity while you are using sweet almond oil. I also use jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is moisturizing deep with, to protect your skin and balancing natural oil and smoothing dry skin. Jojoba oil. So it's very, these two oil are very powerful. That is why I choose it, because I know what I'm choosing. I'm not going to use any oil at all. I'm going to use it for my skin. So those two oil are very perfect for skin. So now, as you guys can see, that is my vitamin C oil. This one also, I can use it anytime when I make my makeup, my things. I can use it to do what? To moisturize my face. This oil, you can use it morning and evening, and also you can still add this oil into your, what's the name, you can add it to your moisturizer creams. Reusing it, your moisturizer creams or oils that moisturizer cream, you can add it to your moisturizer cream. So the remaining one, I pour it inside of that bottle. I don't throw things away. Anytime when I just finish it, I'm not throwing, because just in case one day I need it. So this is what we have now. Okay, so let's check and see. I did not add any essential oil or vitamin E oil again, but if you think that you want vitamin E oil, why not? You can still add your vitamin E oil inside. It's optional. Okay, so guys, you can see, actually I did not use yet because I want to do something. Today is my routine day. I'm going to make a face scrubs. So please, if you are watching this one and you know that you haven't watched my face scrub, I don't know, maybe you have to come. I don't know, this video I'll post first before that one, or that one I'm going to post first. I don't know which one is coming first, but the only thing I know that all those video is coming. So if you watch this one first, try and come back and watch my face scrub, face scrub. I'm not going to tell you what I use. So when you come and watch, you watch and go and do it by yourself, because I love practicals. I don't want theory too much. I'm someone who doesn't like theory. I just like practicals, because I'm using my face to be doing practicals to you guys. I want you guys to be seeing what is going on when I'm using it, so that one day you may not ask me again, what are you using? What cream did you use? Or how did you manage to remove this your dark spot? You can see that dark spot, that stubborn dark spot I have on my face. I don't know whether you guys are noticing it, but now it's fading. First, it was like something that when you just see my face, oh my god, but I was not someone, I don't care, because I love myself and I love my face no matter what the condition it is. But now I say no, I have to take care of it. I have to use natural ingredients to take care of it, because I don't want to use any chemicals again. Chemicals is not helping me. I feel like it's still more damaging my face. So I have to stop using and do my own product, natural things. So please, if you're also looking for something natural things, come and join me and we start making natural things and glow our skin and soft our skin together, make glassing skin together. Okay, let's do it together. We can do it. All right, we can do it. As you guys can see how my face is just natural African girl, right? Yeah, my face is just a natural African girl, so no problem for now because I'm working on it. So come and join me and we do it together. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. This vitamin C oil, you can see so many people they are using fresh one. I'm not going to advise you to use the fresh one. I can only advise you to use the dry orange peel because you want your oil to keep long. This oil, if I leave it, it can stay up to 1 year, no problem. But if it is the fresh oil, fresh orange peel I use, it cannot keep long like that. Okay, I can't keep it long. It's going to spoil very fast. As you guys can see my face, so see your girl face. So that's it, my people. That's what I have to share with you people, so that you also can learn you can make it. As I said, you can add another, if you want more benefit, you can add essential oils or vitamin E oils. Thank you very much for lovely support. I really appreciate you all. Please go and watch my other video, face crop. Okay, go and watch that video. I just washed my face because I'm going to make that video. I'm going to film it, I'm going to apply it, and the way I use it 2 times and I see the result is so amazing. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So come back and watch that video. Okay, don't miss it up.